Hi, I'm Martin Pring. They say that a picture is worth 1,000 words, but I say that a chart is worth 1,000 pictures. And that's because charts in the financial markets often scream out very important messages that an important or significant trend reversal has taken place or is about to take place. Each month I publish a newsletter called the Intermarket Review, and each issue contains what I call the chart of the month. And that features a market that I think has just turned or is about to turn. So this series of videos aims at presenting these charts of the month. So if you're interested in them, please hit the subscribe button and you'll be brought up to speed on a regular basis. So without more ado, let's go to the chart room and see what's in store for this month. This month I'm featuring two currencies. This is the long-term chart for the euro. As you can see, it's broken below this dashed red line, which is a 12-month moving average. Also, the smooth long-term momentum in the bottom window has rolled over. These arrows show that this has typically been followed by a decline. Since the currency is below its moving average and the momentum is bearish, that means the primary trend is negative. The real clincher to this one is the possibility that the euro is tracing out a head and shoulders top. This pattern would be completed with a break below the neckline at 130. If so, and I think the odds are above 50-50 that that's going to happen, it would give us an objective of around 104, or put another way, down to this secular uptrend line. If it were to move below that level, we could be in for some interesting times, but that's another story. Now we're looking at the Japanese yen as traded on the IMM. Underneath is my special K indicator. It's calculated by combining short, intermediate and long-term momentum into one giant indicator. There are several ways in which it can be interpreted. For more details, go to Pring.com. One of the key techniques is to construct trend lines on the indicator. When the line's violated, and this is confirmed by the price, in this case the yen, major buy and sell signals are triggered. Here's one example. And here are the others. Now, the drawback of this approach is that we're not always able to construct the lines, but when it is possible, you can see their effect. Bearing that in mind, let's take a look at the more recent price action. As you can see, the special K has just violated another trend line, and this has now been confirmed by the yen itself. The objective from this trend line break is the maximum distance between the currency and the line, just here, projected down from the breakout point, just here. That projection calls for a decline to the 90 area. With both the euro and the yen looking long-term vulnerable, it seems likely that the line of least resistance for the dollar is an upward one. If you enjoyed this chart of the month, you may want to go to Pring.com and download a free sample of our Intermarket Review, a monthly roundup of the world's principal financial markets with a special emphasis on the US. We also look at global indicators, bonds, precious metals, currencies and international markets using ETFs to execute our strategies as much as possible. You'll find unique indicators and intermarket relationships you cannot find anywhere else. In the meantime, thanks for watching and good luck and good charting.